Hi guys, this is Thursday, May the 30th. Can you believe how fast May has gone? I can't believe it, hardly. Yeah, May 30th, Thursday. Tomorrow's Friday. Yay. Usually about this time I start taking off some Friday afternoons. I have some vacation and I never go anywhere, so I just use it up that way. But I added it up. And with taking my mom to different appointments and stuff, I have just enough vacation to use up if nothing happens. So I was going to take off tomorrow afternoon, but I don't know. I might not do that. So I got to go to the courthouse to get my car tagged tomorrow. Who knows how long that'll take. So, yeah. And, I'm kind of bummed out about that, but oh well, let's get on with it. Stitch Fix. It's been a little bit since I've had one. Now, this is the first Stitch Fix that I had to pay the styling fee because they did away with the Style Pass. Used to be you paid $50 a year and you can get all the fixes you want, and that was terrific until it's not terrific until they stopped it. So let's see what my papers have. I got the same, yep, same. No, I have a different stylist. I requested my same one, and looks like I have a different one, Kara. And this is my 100th fix, people. Okay, everything in this box is $256.97. If you buy everything, you get a 25% discount, which will minus $64.24. And then it is $192.73 for the box. Now, let's see. What's this? Thanks for taking advantage of your waived fee. Enjoy your fix. What's that mean? I don't have to pay the $20? Let's see. Oh, I don't know. Okay, I did look on the app and see what they sent me. Now, they did send me, okay, let me show you my bundle first. Colorful. They did send me a pair of shoes, which I do not like already. They are Market & Spruce Lila Ring Thong Sandal in black. And, I mean, they're okay. But I already have lots of sandals and I do not need any. But in case you want to look at them, that's what they look like. So these are definitely going back. When they sent me my email that I can choose the different the different items that I would like, they give you a range of items and you can pick 5 and they will send you those 5. Out of all of those, I think there was only 2 or 3 tops that I liked. And then they picked the other 2 things, and one of them was these shoes. So I do not need those shoes. Okay. Now I got to watch my money, so I can't go hog wild on this thing. So, and of course, again, the things you think are going to look good sometimes don't look good at all. Some of the clothes that I thought, oh my God, it's so cute. I love it. I try it on. I'm like, It makes me look so bad. So besides the shoes, the second item, Daniel Rain Seneca Scallop Sleeve Blouse in teal green. Now, you guys know how I like bright colors. I don't know. This might be a little small. Let me get these tags out of the way. You know, I don't like small tops. And since I was sick, I like the color. Since I was sick, I have been watching what I've been eating. but I don't know if it's creeping back on, but I don't feel like I'm doing as well as I did. I'm still trying to be careful. I've not ate out or anything. Okay, Fortune and Ivy, Georgia Keyhole Mixed Material Top in dark pink, and I like this color. Let's see, get these tags out. Okay, this has a keyhole thing in the front, and it has that in back with the tie. I'm not thrilled about the tie, but it's okay. The back is kind of knit, the front is not, so maybe that has a chance. Okay, Daniel Rain again. Lucy tie neck detail blouse in purple. Now, I'm not a fan of all these tie things. I do like the colors in this. I mean, it is a little dark, but I do like it. And there's the detail of the tie thing. And there's the back. I mean, I do like that top, so, but again, you never know. And gosh, already the last thing. Now, I think I saw these online, and to me, I'm not even going to try these on because they are too short. Blank NYC Amira Distress Short in Indigo. I'm not a short person, and these to me are already too short. Guys, my butt that big? Gee whiz. I hope not. Okay, so these are an out, and the shoes are an out. So I'm going to try these 3 tops on. Oh, I'm stuffed up tonight. I think it's the allergies. And I will see what I think. I like this top because of the color. And I like the color of this. It kind of reminds me of stained glass in a way. And of course, I like this bright color too. And I could think I can tell the colors because when I'm tan, I look better to me than when I'm not tan. All right, I guess it's a short video. It's only 7 minutes long. So, okay, I promise I will get back to you and tell you what I picked. So, all right, that's all I have for now. Signing off. See ya.